Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about beautiful short haircut ideas for women over 50. Short haircut can elegant, easy and manage and full of life. It's perfect for women who want a fresh, youthful and confident look. So let's explore some trendy and timeless styles that will make you feel amazing at any age. First up, we have the classic pixie cut. This haircut never goes out of style. It's short, smart and super easy to take care of. You can keep it simple and neat or add a bit of texture on top for a soft, modern look. Pixie cuts work beautifully on women with fine hair as they add instant volume and shape. You can even add side bangs to make it look playful and stylish. Next is the short layered bob, one of the most popular short hair styles for women over 50. It's elegant, flattering and suits almost every face shapes. Layers make your hair look fuller and bouncer, especially if your hair is thin or flat. You can wear it straight for a sleek look or add waves for a softer, relaxed vibe. This haircut also works great with highlights. Light shades like blonde, creamel or silver can brighten your face beautifully. Another great choice is the shaggy shortcut. It's short, low maintenance and full of texture. The uneven layers give your hair a natural youthful moment. It's perfect if you want something modern but easy to style every day. Just a little mousse or styling cream can make it look effortlessly chic. This cut looks amazing with grey or salt and pepper hair too. Natural tones give it even more personality. For women who love a soft, feminine look, try a short haircut with bangs. Bangs can instantly change your appearance and make you look younger. You go for side swept bangs for a gentle frame around your face or wapsi bangs for a light, airy touch. And if you like bold styles, this haircut is for you. Remember, short hair does not mean boring. It means confident, stylish and free. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.